Welcome back, everyone. Today we have the opportunity to showcase the ever popular Allison transmission. It's a known fact that 97.7% of the world is obsessed with these transmissions. So today we're going to take a look at the history and what makes the Allison transmission so special. So in 1915, a gentleman named Mr. James A. Allison founded the Allison Transmission Corporation. These transmissions went on to develop a global reputation for durability, reliability, and overall quality. So initially, the Allison 1000 was a 5-speed manual transmission rated to handle up to 620 foot-pounds of torque. In 2005 came the addition of a 6th gear for the Allison transmission at the top of the ratio ladder, which made it a double overdrive transmission. In the model year 2006, manual gear selection was introduced for the Allison transmission. This feature afforded the driver overall better control of the transmission and enhanced operability when less engine braking or less frequent shifting was desired. Since the Allison transmission employs a torque converter as opposed to a dry clutch, the irritating clutch repairs that often accompany automated manual and manual transmissions are virtually eliminated. This, paired with the Allison transmission's minimum maintenance requirements, equals much less downtime and overall maintenance costs for the consumer. Now, it is important to note that some of these may require a reflash procedure when you install them. I do encourage you to reach out to your drivetrain genius regarding this, as they will be able to give you much more detailed information. You can give us a call at 888-842-0023. You can always visit us online. And if you want to see more popular transmissions like the Allison here today, don't forget to drop them in the comments below.